Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this basketball. Actually, it's like a door basketball hoop that this brand sent to me for the video. I gotta say that number one, it is super easy to assemble. It's gonna take you about, I think, no more than 10 minutes, 15 minutes tops if you want. And it has a few things that they're actually pretty cool. So for example, it comes with not one, not two, but actually three balls for you to play, like basketballs for you to play. They're mini for sure, as you can see over here, but also this three also comes with this inflator, so you can actually have them with air at all times if you're gonna play with your kids, if you're gonna play kind of like in your office, because you can put this one in your office too. You know what is really good about this one? You can hang it from a door, and you can hang it from the back and the entrance as well, kind of like the top of the door. And you can put kind of like a trash can over here, and you can just like play with the trash can in kind of like instead of with the balls as well. But the good thing about this one is that, as you can see over here, this one, you can put it this way, you can put it down, you can put it up, and you can actually play with this handle over here to put it kind of like in flat position. So you can actually put it on the back of the door if you want, and just play only when the door is closed or something like that. But then let me show you a few things. So besides that, it's super easy to install. It also comes with rubber pads on the back, so it won't damage your floor, and the hooks are gonna be right here on top. But then it comes with a countdown, and also that is so good. This is kind of like the regular play after and it has a countdown for the 60 seconds, and then you have the other one, crunch time, and then it gives you that countdown, and it's like 1, go, and you start like dribbling and scoring. So let's actually do that right now. So let's set it for 1-player mode. I hope I'm not super bad at it. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, that was bad. Oh, we almost got that one. We didn't get that one. Let's go. Oh no, let's go. That's the first one. And you see that score. Oh no. And that one scored too. And you see the people just screaming. Oh my God. Screaming. Oh, what is happening? Okay, you know what? We did it. I mean, this is pretty awesome, right? You can put it in the door, back, front. You have this one. You can put it in flat mode. You have the countdown. You just got the scoring system. I think this one, it is pretty good. I like it. I hope your kids like it. If not, just put it in your office.